Mauruf. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I'm glad to see you again.
Me too.
Thanks. And I want to ask you some little questions.
Yes.
First for them is a question, what do you know about climate change?
But I heard sometimes from the news and from the people as well, a huge change is going to be happen soon. Of course, it's alarming. What I have to say, that everything is on people's hand. People can do a lot when they come together with regard this changing of climate. Can do a lot. The people has to give hand each other, come together and then help the people.
Do you think about uniting all people in the world?
Everything is possible. Each and every individual can do many things to bring people together. Like for me, personally, I come to know this place, and when I go back to my home country, I will share the information with the people. I know a lot of people, and a lot of people knows me, and I can share the information. I can share the links which from here, the AllatRa International, that they can see, they can read by themselves. The information will go face to face, people to people.
From heart to heart.
From heart to heart, as always. So people will believe, and then slowly will come together. It will not be that fast, but it is faster than I expect. Because the first time I visit here, and then now this time, after 2 months I came again. Huge changes.
You see the difference, yeah?
The very huge difference is there. We all come from one place, and we all go back one place. So there are so many different religions. For me, they are through some different things which all pray for one thing, just one. All pray for God, all of them. They are not praying for something, some other person, some other, there's no second God, only one God is there. We all pray to God.
To one God.
Yes, only one God. There's no 2, 3 God, only one.
Yeah. If God is one, so for what we have to fight each other?
For me, there is no reason to fight. I sometimes don't understand why they are fighting. To bring people together is also, have to do, more people have to do more things, how much they can do.
Yeah, each person can do many things.
Many.
When he does it from heart, from soul, it really works.
Even our parents also saying that one piece of stick, give each and every one and try to break it. Can break easy. Give 2 pieces together, difficult. 3 pieces together, cannot already. And how about 100 pieces? Cannot destroy.
It's not impossible.
Impossible.
Yeah.
So that's why people have to come together.
Example which you bring now, I know it's from my childhood, but Maldives is very far from my home country. But you know what I mean. That
yes, I understand.
we know same things.
Same thing.
Yeah,
So this is everywhere for each and every country. The same examples, the same will be there.
True is same for all people. Yeah.
True is the same for all.
Yeah.
So that proves we all are same.
Yeah.
No difference.
No difference.
We all are one. We all believe one. We all go one direction. We all pray for one.
Only one creator.
Yes.
Yeah. So when people unite, nothing is impossible.
Nothing is impossible. When all people come together,
They can do
they
everything.
everything against change in climate, also many things that can be done when all people comes together.
Yeah. And inshallah it will be happen.
Inshallah it will happen when all people will come together.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Mauruf, how people in Maldives greeting each other?
People, they greet each other time ago. They are greeting by looking at eyes and like that. So that's all. That is a great. They don't say anything, no word, nothing. But nowadays, yes, there is same like Arabic people. Assalamu alaikum. But it's very few times. Only people come very close and shake hand. Only this. But some normally people are going walking around. Everybody will look at them and then they will say like that. So that is greeting.
No, nothing.
Nothing. So you can feel to your heart that the person is good and he is already greeted. He look at you.
I would like to know how people sang in your country, in Maldives.
In my country, nowadays people they used to say shukriya, but earlier days, this is Arabic word. Yeah. The language is anyway mixed, but still earlier days, people not used to say shukriya. They used to say hing hamaje hijje.
Hing hamaje inje. And what does it mean?
My heart fulfilled what you have done. Something like that, but it's not complete. It's more than that. Hing hamaje hijje. So that is my heart fulfilled what you have done to me.
Oh, that's very nice and deep. In your language is word soul.
Yes, there is a word, Furana. Furana is soul.
Very nice, Furana.
My home country. People, they knows when they even says Furana. The soul is more important than the body. They all know. Without Furana, the body is useless. The body will be buried already without Furana. So when Furana go out, the soul go out from the body, it's finished.
Body is dead.
Finished already.
So Furana is eternal, yeah?
Yes.
And
Furana
body
is
yeah.
everything. It's just
body is just close for Furana,
yes.
Yeah?
Belongs to this world.
But Furana belongs to eternal world.
Yes, everyone, all knows. So Furana, soul is more important. When I was about 6-7 years old, yes, during that time, people in the Maldives, most of areas, people they help each other. There's nothing much to use with the money, these papers, money. There's nothing much. People will go for fishing. That some people will go for gardening, potatoes, yams. Some people plant those. Some people have watermelon, the fruits, banana. All these food varieties they do by themselves. There's no use of money. People help each other. They even they will go for fishing. They will come and bring fish to each and every houses. They will give. They will have enough.
Not for money.
Not for money. Free. And then what they do? I have to build my house. All the people nearby, they all will come together and they will do what they can do. Not for money. The only thing what I have to do because my house. The only thing I have to feed them. So the food is there, potato is there, the fish is there. So cook for lunch, breakfast, even dinner. They do all the work, not for money. I go next day, another person's home. They are also doing something. They are home building or some other work. People need to help. Yes, I also will present myself and I will help them to do this. So that's how it was before. Now everything is changed.
You know, you say about that, and I remember my childhood when somebody do something in our street, we all come together and help, not for money. Some message from heart, from soul, from Furana to other Furanas.
Let's all come together. We all are same, no difference between each other. Looks, yes, looks difference. Looks difference 5 fingers.
But
also.
it's
We all are
only,
the same.
yeah. Difference is only our clothes,
Only,
but
yes,
inside
same.
Furana is same.
The
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the only thing. Let's all come together. Don't see the difference, but outside can see. Inside is the same.
So if all Furanas in the world will unite, nothing is impossible, and no such difficulties which we can't solve them. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I want to tell you, Ufariji, Shukriya for coming and for asking, for speaking with us. Thank you very much.
Unity. Unity in the spirit begets unity in the world. Unite and create. The system divides and people unite. Matter in its needs divide people into a multitude. Spiritual riches bring people into unity.